Alright, I got my night vision helmet on here. Yeah, that looked great. So when I raced last, 13. There you go. It's my racing helmet. Oh, nope. There, 15. That's the last time I raced. That's my outdated race helmet. Alright, she wants me to go first because I got to break the tires in and the brakes, and I got to sure everything shifts and works right, I guess. So where's she? She's over there sleeping? She's over there sleeping. Alright, so it's been cooling off for about 5 minutes. Uh-oh, already got parts falling off the bike. There, what's this? There's a nut.
Oh, fell off already?
There's our first nut.
Oh, nice.
Where'd that come from? That's the one I used on the shift linkage.
It is. Oh, wait.
But they're on there already.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's an extra nut we don't need.
Okay.
Obviously, it's an extra nut. Okay, you're in charge of this, so you can point it going down the street.
Mm-hmm.
It still films kind of in the dark, too.
Okay.
You might not hear it for a while to see it. You got to zoom right here, where you can zoom it back and forth right here.
Okay.
But it's probably dark, you won't be able to see too much.
Yeah. Alrighty.
You'll hear it.
Yay.
You hear all them yakking. Oh, you broke it.
Uh-oh. Well, what's the verdict?
The brake sure drag a lot when you got your foot on it.
Yes, they do.
It pulls pretty hard.
Nice.
I was almost full throttle coming down the hill there.
Huh?
I had the brakes on, but you know. They're hot. I won't touch them.
Don't touch them.
I had the brakes on a while. It feels like the clutch starts to slip a little bit, but I can't really tell because the tire's so hard, it's probably slipping a little bit. I got the brake on too, so it's kind of a toss-up, which is, but it's...
Okay.
It might be the tire spinning too. Hard to tell. Tire's hard.
All right, let me give it a whirl.
It's hard. Well, let it cool off. It's pretty hard.
Okay. I'll let it cool off.
Coming
Coming back.
How'd you sound? Pretty good going down the road?
It did. It sounded wonderful.
It wasn't missing or cropping. It was pulling hard.
It sounded great.
You turn the throttle wide open, it goes.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just, I know the brakes are hot.
Okay.
If you notice, the brake light was on almost all the way down the hill.
Okay, you're right. I couldn't really see the light.
Well, they ain't too hot. It's hot, but it ain't super hot. That rear one's definitely hotter than the front.
Is it?
Oh yeah, a lot hotter.
What does that mean?
That means we need more front brake in it. That one sizzled when I took it. This one evaporating, but it's.
So are there like, because I know like.
So the back end will lock up before the front's what's going to happen.
Oh. That's what that means?
It stops good though. There ain't no doubt it slows down.
Yeah.
But it's they're warmed up.
Okay.
But this one's definitely a lot hotter in the back. See, look, the spit. See?
Eee, that's piping hot.
That's 500 degrees hot.
Right.
Up here, cold.
So I see some come off of that one too.
Yeah, it's pretty cold. That one's already cooled off. That's half the temperature. So this needs a brake bias. It needs a little bit more brake in the front than the back.
Okay.
So you decide if you like it or not. If you don't like it, then we'll just put a front brake on it. But we need to at least put a portion valve in there and get some brake in the front. That one's got a lot of heat in that back
How
one.
long? I mean, what kind of procedure is that?
I got a wire valve in there.
Oh.
It's got to go in the rear brake line, so you cut power to the back, so it all goes to the front.
And if we put a handbrake?
And it kind of leaks a little bit back. That fitting's kind of being a problem, so it would go underneath the tranny back there. That's where I'd put it. Or we put that ugly ass match cylinder back up in the front that looks like crap, and take out the T-fitting and all that, and doesn't matter. However you want to do it.
Well, let me just give it a whirl when it cools down a little bit. Let's see.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe it had a better brake in the front, it might stop better, because that's a stock Harley brake, that's a PM, so it's going to work better than that one anyway. So, you know, they are what they are. But it
But
stops.
you stopped, right?
Oh,
I
it
mean,
stopped. Did I have a problem stopping?
No. Slowing down? I mean, no. It didn't look like you had a problem at all.
You know, it was wide open throttle taking off in the park down there.
Yeah.
I kept rolling on, and I had it wide open finally in second. Put it up in third, and it starts
There's
getting.
no stop signs?
Well, I went through halfway through this section. It stops at halfway down the park down there.
Oh, okay.
They put a new stop sign. I don't go that way, so I kind of slid through that one completely, and it doesn't lock up. You stand on the brake, it does not lock the brakes up. So it's, you know, they're not working that good. So
They're not? Okay.
no, you're not locking the brakes up.
Oh, they're not working out.
Yeah, they're not. It's slow, you know, it slows down good, but it ain't locking the brake up when you stand on it. So at least not yet. Once they cool off, get everything a needle back in, they might start biting harder. But for now, that's the first go at running them.
Okay.
So,
Gotcha.
but I like it when they don't lock up. You just stand on them hard and it slows down. There, that's all you need. But I was doing, you know, I think I hit third gear, and then there's a stop sign.
Oh, shit.
That didn't quite stop.
Right.
Yeah, I probably 150 feet coming down from, you know, whatever I was doing, slightly over 25.
Oh, boy.
Plenty adequate. All right, we'll be back.